Hey, GenX glamping guy here with a survival tip. There's going to come a time in your glamping experience where you're going to need to repair one of your lawn chairs. Today I'm going to show you how. Everything else on this chair is very strong and sturdy. It's aluminum with some plastic. Here's some more rips. So I'm going to start by just replacing the white nylon. I ordered these replacements from a company called Lawn Chair USA, Fort Pierce, Florida. This is 50 feet, very sturdy. It matches the width of the existing webbing. I'm going to start by just taking one of these pieces of fabric off. I'm going to repurpose this pin. Yeah, there it is. It's like a T-pin. What we want to do is fold this just a little bit. Let's mirror what this one is. It's about right. And then we want a little hole where the pin can go. I'll just use the blade and cut a hole. There. We're going to fold this around, pop it into the hole, kind of grab it semi-firm, and we're just going to loop it through the existing ones. So there's one, let's come up through the other. Let's come back down through this one, which requires me to pull the whole roll up through. One more, down and through, and then up through here. So now let's come through. All right. Keep pulling this guy out. This is the old one. Look how gross it is. And you can see up here, there's another little pin holding it in place. So let's come through here. So far so good. Let's come through here. Come through here. I'm just gonna cut some of this, just a little, using my Leatherman scissors. Hopefully this will cut it. There goes these scissors. I kind of love my Leatherman. It comes in handy in so many different ways. All right, boom, okay. You can set this fabric over now. So we want to mirror what's going on here. First of all, we're going to remove the pin like that. And the pin is on the inside here. See if I can give you a better shot. All right, there's the pinhole right here. Pull this tight, fold it a little. Gives it double the strength. Then I need to make a little hole for the pin. Hopefully this will work. All right, folded, looped, and where's that hole? There it is. Come on. All right. I think I can sit on it without breaking anything. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop for now. I hope you found this helpful. Glamp on.